Each stretch should be done 3 to 4 times and held for 15 to 20 seconds. Try to do them twice a day. Start with a supine hamstring stretch. Use a stretch strap or other object to help lift the leg being stretched. If this position is not comfortable for your back, try bending the leg not being stretched. Your hamstring can also be stretched while sitting. With your knees straight, lean your chest towards your toes. These are static stretches, so don't bounce. A quad stretch can be done by looping your stretch strap around your foot, then pulling your foot back. Allow the knee to bend as far as possible, and then slowly move your hip back. You should feel the stretch in the front of your leg. A calf stretch can be done by allowing your heel to drop off the back of a step. Make sure to keep your knee locked out and your back straight. To perform a quad set, place a rolled up towel under your heel. Now contract the muscles on the top of your leg by pushing the knee downward. You should hold each contraction for 3 to 5 seconds, build up to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. To perform a hamstring set, position yourself seated with the knee bent. Now contract the muscles in the back of your leg by pulling your knee into the surface. Make sure the heel does not slide. You may keep the foot straight or turn it in slightly. You should hold each contraction for 3 to 5 seconds, build up to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. To perform a glute set, squeeze your buttock muscles together. Now hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax. This can be done in sitting, standing, or lying down. Build up to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. So we can continue to make these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.